As I said, please take note, LUFT TV is 45.1E and it's H265 HEVC. So if your decoder or satellite finder is not H265, you can only hear audio but you can't get the video. So let's go. This is the LUFT TV. It's free to air for now. Sometimes it goes or sometimes it, you can see it's showing free cartoon. This cartoon. This is LUFT TV Igbo showing free. These are LUFT TV Hausa showing free. These are LUFT TV Sport 2 showing sport free. And what again? NBC showing. So this the LUFT TV. The LUFT TV. I told you, I said each, look at the sequence is 72. So assuming I want to bring it down to maybe like this. Let's see if we get a signal. The signal has dropped to 0. Okay, assuming I want to take it back to maybe 9 o'clock, as I told you, 9. The signal has come back to 72. So the ideal way is either you track it at 9 o'clock or you bring it to 3 o'clock. So this is the ideal way. This is my 8 port LNB. So let's go back again. Oh, it has dropped, so I have to go. I'm not taking it up. Take it up. So it has come. You can see it's exactly at 9 o'clock. That's when you get it. You get the frequency in its full capacity. So if you have H decoder that is not H265, you can't enjoy all these channels. So this is how we track it. So let me go. We have Al Jazeera showing free. We have a lot of them. They're all showing free. So go out there and track. So we're going to see if we can combine it together. If we cannot combine it, I stop the video here. If we combine, we can continue. So let me quickly see if we can add Nigcomsat to it.